To fix MetaTrader 5 no connection issue. Start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the platform to function properly. Ensure that your device is connected to a reliable network and that your internet service provider is not experiencing any outages. Next, check the MetaTrader 5 server status. You can do this by opening the platform and navigating to the Help menu. Then selecting About. Look for the server field, which should display the current server status. If the server is offline, wait for some time and try again. If the server is online, proceed to check your account details. Ensure that your login credentials are correct, including your account number, password, and server name. Verify that your account is active and not suspended or blocked. Additionally, check the MetaTrader 5 settings to ensure that the platform is configured correctly. Go to the Tools menu, select Options, and then navigate to the Server tab. Ensure that the correct server is selected and that the connection parameters are set to default values. Another common cause of connection issues is firewall or antivirus software blocking the platform. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that MetaTrader 5 is allowed to connect to the internet. You may need to add the platform to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall or antivirus software. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try reinstalling MetaTrader 5. This will reset the platform to its default settings and may resolve any configuration issues. Before reinstalling, ensure that you have saved any important data or settings. Finally, if you are still experiencing connection issues, contact your broker or MetaTrader 5 support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on resolving the connection problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the MetaTrader 5 no connection issue and get back to trading. Remember to always ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your account details are correct to avoid any future connection issues.